Ready to unlock the artistic power of Midjourney directly through your Discord chat? Let's get you set up on your PC in under 2 minutes. First, you'll need to have Discord installed and running on your PC. If you don't have it, head over to Discord.com and download the desktop application. Next, open your web browser and go to Midjourney.com. This is where the magic begins. On the Midjourney website, you'll see a button, usually in the top right corner, that says Join the Beta or Sign In. Click on that. This will redirect you to a Discord authorization screen. Here, you'll need to log in with your existing Discord account credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account you want to use with Midjourney. Once you've entered your Discord login details, you'll be presented with a screen asking for authorization from Midjourney to access certain parts of your Discord account. Review these permissions and then click Authorize. Congratulations, you've successfully authorized Midjourney. You should now be redirected to the Midjourney Discord server. If you're not automatically added, you'll see an option to accept invite. Now, within the Midjourney server, find a channel labeled something like #NEWBIES or #General. These are the places where you'll start creating your art. To generate an image, simply type the / into the chat bar. This will bring up a list of available commands. Select the Imagine command. After Imagine, you'll see a prompt field appear. This is where you describe the image you want Midjourney to create. Be as descriptive as you like. Hit Enter, and after a short wait, Midjourney will generate for unique image variations based on your prompt. You can then upscale or create variations of your favorite results. And that's it. You're now connected to Midjourney on your PC, ready to start your AI art journey directly within Discord.